This is going to be my first cooking video. With preparedness, you definitely need to know how to meal prep or just cook a dinner, whether it's campfire cooking or just right in your kitchen. But this would be a basic potatoes au gratin, and it's my version. Always wash your potatoes. If you had your potatoes for like a week or more and they start growing those eyes, that's okay. Just pick them off and wash them. So after you peel your potatoes, wash them again. Wash those dirty potatoes. And then you just want to chop them in the bite-sized pieces that you prefer. Everybody prefers different sizes. But just do it in the size that you prefer. It doesn't have to be perfect, not rocket science. Just don't cut your fingers off. And don't forget, some of you wear earbuds, so this might be a little loud when you hear that chop. But I am a new content creator, and I have to figure out all the bells and whistles to be able to do this properly for you guys and myself. So thank you for your patience. And you just layer them in your pan. I like mine layered like that, but you can layer them any way you want. And if you have too many, that's fine too. You can just turn that into mashed potatoes. So now we'll go to the next step. So I put my cheese in my measuring cup, and I'm just going to put a splash of milk to kind of liquid that up a little bit. And don't forget to smell that dairy. My grandmother told me always check your dairy. So I went ahead and I put a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of celery salt inside my white cheddar cheese and milk. I went ahead and put my butter on my potatoes. And so we're almost done. It's a very easy, fast recipe. The longest part is waiting for it to cook. So you just want to drizzle it over. You want to soak them down really good. Every one of them needs to be covered. And then just take your spoon and spread it out. So I like to put my paprika on top. And you don't even have to use it if you don't like it. It's just whatever you prefer. And I also like to put my parsley on top. But again, your preference. I like to get a lot of that on there. And then a tablespoon of salt. Now just shake it all across. We're almost there. And then I like to put more cheese because I like mixing my cheese. We currently have the canned white cheese, white cheddar, and now I'm going to use a taco blend cheese. It's just because I like it, but you can use whatever you want to use. Can't go wrong with that cheese. You know what? You really can't go wrong with that cheese unless of your cholesterol. So we're just going to use a whole bag. Just put that right in there. Spread it out. Cover it with your aluminum foil and pop it in your oven. 375 for 1 hour, but check it after 30 minutes. And then clean up your mess. While you're waiting, you can pet your dog. Baby needs love too. Maybe give him a walk. The hardest part is the wait.